My name is Meenu Prasad, and I'm from Canada. I'm staying in Brampton since past about 20 years in Canada, and I was working with TD Bank, and I just left the job because of some personal problems, and that's about me. Of course, I am happily married with two children, and I know Anubha since quite some time, and it has been such a pleasant long journey knowing her. She is such a versatile person that honestly, whenever I meet her, I get more and more this thing positive vibes from her. I just got along with her so well because we our wavelength, and she's very intellectual actually, and it just matches. Like, I'm not that intelligent, but she is amazing. Every time we meet, I have something to learn from her. And Anuba is a great personality. She's such a warm person, it's such a pleasure meeting her and talking to her all the time. And it's not with me, she's warm with everybody. Her nature takes her to places. And of course her intellectual and her this thing knowledge about everything. The way she talks, the way she carries herself is just outstanding. And Anubha, we went to, and of course we went to her book launch, and how could have we could not have missed it at all. And that evening was just amazing. I have no words to say. The house was full. There was whole lineup. The crowd was just wanting to meet her and buying her book. And that's what we expected, because the book got finished, and it was just amazing. Like, we could not get hold of the book also because of the heavy this thing buying crowd, and it was just awesome evening. So Anubha will go a long way, of course, and of course she is with her in all our spirits, and all our good wishes are with her. She is going to India, and I wish her all the best, and there'll be more and more opportunities for her, and she's like a rising star now. So journey has just started. All the best, Anubha. We love you, and we will keep loving you. Thank you for everything.